What is going on, everybody? I hope you are having a fantastic week. So, I've been here working away, got back into Boise last night at like 1 a.m. and had a whole bunch of fun stuff this morning that I got to work on. So, I wanted to jump on here because we're working on this project, and throughout this project, one of the things that we spend a lot of time working on is, what does success look like? And I think that is a question that is underasked, especially when you are working on your own project. When you're working on something, when you're taking your time and putting effort and time and energy into it, what does success look like for this project? Because a lot of the time, people think, oh, well, success is financial. That is true. Yes, there is an aspect of financial success. But what else? If you do not take time and ask that question, you'll never really understand how successful or unsuccessful anything was. Because here's the thing, success comes in thousands of different forms, in thousands of different costumes. So you've got to take time and focus on, what does success look like for you? So when it comes to your event, when you're thinking about, okay, I need to put on an event, this is what I want to do, that's great. But I want to encourage you to think about, what all does success look like? Because it could be a financial success. It could be maybe part of branding. Success looks like branding. Success looks like engagement. Success looks like growth of your email list, right? There are so many different things that success can look like. If you don't manage your expectations, if you only focus on one area of success, or one area that you could find success in, it's going to make doing what you do so much harder. So I want to encourage you guys, take the time, especially in the beginning, especially when you're starting out, and think about, what does success look like for this endeavor, for this event, for this project? What does success look like? And don't stop till you have 4 or 5 or 6 things that define success. Because here's the trick. If you have one thing, so let's say financial revenue is your driver of success. If you do not make it financially, was your project, your event, whatever, was it a failure? See, if the only thing you're judging it on is financials, it's really easy to say, yes, it was a failure. But if you're looking at other things as terms of success, then it's really easy to say, you know what? I may not have hit those financial goals, but look at all these other things we did. Look at all these other things that have led to success, or more success in the future. So I want to encourage you guys, as you're building out your projects, as you're building out your events, as you're going out and changing the world, define what success looks like in other ways than just financial. Nikos, what is up, my friend? I hope you're doing fantastic, buddy. It's been too long. But I just want to encourage everybody, think about what success looks like. So I want you to share with me right now, one project, what does success look like? And it cannot be tied to money. Okay? That's the challenge. What does success look like for one project you're working on, or one event, and it can't be tied to money? So share. Let us all know. Because here's the thing, guys. This is a community. I want you guys posting. I want you sharing. I want you asking for help. We're here to help each other. And I can't help you if I don't know where you need help. Okay? So share, like, whatever. Let us know where you need help. And today, right on this video, share what success looks like for you. What does success look like? And it cannot be tied to money. One caveat. All right? All right, guys. I am looking forward to talking to you soon, and we will see you in a little bit.